We like to make things as hands-on as possible. We read things from a textbook, which is extremely important. We can show them the hands-on activities as well. Lately, we've been teaching the kids about chemical versus physical reactions and exothermic and endothermic reactions, and they're able to really take the information that we're giving them and see it in real life.
Endo or exothermic? Okay, who can give me some proof of why that was a chemical reaction? Yeah. Because bubbles formed. Good. What else? Proof? It did what? It made a new substance, and was that substance reversible? No. All right, so now we're gonna have it come out of a pumpkin.
We are able to then take the jack-o'-lanterns and test them out and show the kids what kind of reactions they are, as well as talk about that with the kids. A lot of the things you saw today are more of the extreme approach of exothermic and endothermic reactions. However, we are able to take that and either pre-teach it or post-teach the different lessons.
What we're gonna do is you're just gonna get to see what occurs when you add hydrogen peroxide.
Kids are able to see those reactions in real life, but we're also able to talk about lab safety and talk about how those chemicals are used, why they're creating the reactions they are, and why it's important to do your research before doing any of those experiments. Overall, we want to make things as hands-on as possible, and we've been given some really great opportunities from Papillion La Vista to do that.